Pepe the Frog is worth $8 billion in terms of market cap. However, I do believe this will go even higher. As I look at DEX tools, there's more buys happening every single day. So let's determine how much you need to become a millionaire or just having really good profit in 2025. Let's break this down. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's break down Pepe the Frog. All right. So right now, $8 billion market cap, and we're going to focus on some of these amounts here. Now, you may have more than the amounts of Pepe in your wallet or in your possession or less, but we're going to focus on right here. We're going to focus on this number right here. So if let's say you have 5 billion Pepe in your possession, just 5 billion. That means it's worth $100,000 right now. That's right. That means you can probably go to a lot of places and buy up the store. But let's go ahead and continue here. Now in Pepe, $21 billion market cap, which I do believe this is going to happen in 2025. No question. And now that's worth $262 million now. Now you're sitting pretty. You're like, whoa, $262 million now. Now I could start thinking about buying a state or two. Yeah. Okay, let's go down here. Now, $62 billion market cap estimating, which I believe this could still happen in 2025 with enough community power and enough Pepe power. Power, the green frog. I know. So, $5 million or 5 billion tokens you have in your possession here. Now that's worth $774 million. That's the value. The value with a capital V. Now we're looking really, really good here. Let's continue here. And we got $100 billion market cap. The famous 100 billion. I know. I would like more Grey Poupon, please, because it is worth $1.2 million in terms of your asset, your value of your Pepe. Even if you have some of these other numbers here, you got some really nice profit. So just understand, you're not left out in the cold. You got a jacket on. And let's check it out here. This is the $228 billion market cap. Let me go ahead and move this back over here. All right. $228 billion market cap. Let me move it right there. Okay. So now I'm at $2.8 million now. Wow. Now I literally can call the Lambo store. I can even call Elon Musk. I would like 10 Tesla super trucks at my house right now on Main Street. So just look at this here. You don't necessarily need to have some of these upper numbers. Just get in the game. With Pepe, and always do your research and not financial advice, it's one of those frogs that's saying, yeah, we are green, but we also have green in our pockets and also green on our mind here. So Pepe the Frog, $8 billion market cap, is actually still undervalued. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, if you do an estimated price here, let me go move this up here, of $228 billion, wow, everybody's going to be eating on Sunday. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.